Hello, Parnassians. It's me, Magister Beck, and it's week 18. It's the last week before the end of second quarter, and then we'll be halfway through the year. So, week 18, edition 18 of Minute to Win It. So, for this week, we're going to try something a little different. We want you to come up with your own minute to win it. And if you do the minute to win it this week, make a video explaining the rules of whatnot to your game, and then actually do it for 60 seconds or a minute and send that to whoever your FIAD teacher is, Magister Cole or myself, Magister Beck. And then come start a third quarter, if we're still in distance learning, which we will be for at least half the school, we will maybe use your minute to win a game for one of our weeks coming up in third quarter. So I think this will be a lot of fun. You guys can be really creative and have fun with it. And just like I said, send it to whoever your PE teacher is, Magister Cole or myself. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your weekend, and I'll be seeing you guys soon. Talk to you later.